Alright, you guys. 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, black with red. Alright. Little 200 cubic inch inline 6, 3-speed manual, under dash air conditioning, bucket seats, full-size wheel covers. Texas car, said to be a barn find. That's what I know about the car. We got 77,680 miles. Again, very, very cool car, all original, black, red interior, believed to have come that way. We got park lights, headlights, high beams, indicator works. Functionality, we'll keep going here. Wipers, low, high. Looks like there's just one speed. Cigarette lighter is there. Wow, doesn't look used and no corrosion there. We have an aftermarket radio.
I got this feeling.
Works really nice. Cassette player. And then we'll go blower motor, high or low, medium, high. It's on defrost. It does work. I had it on this morning. Kick it down, temperature down. Turn the heat off. Should be down on my feet. Turn this off. And we'll go AC here, low, medium, high. Already really cold air. It's about 40 degrees out this morning. Colder than that. Looks like a new compressor under the hood too. So I think AC functions as it should. It's a really good option, especially going into summer. You're gonna want some AC. All fan speeds work. Temperature control is right here. Believed to would work as well. Ashtray right there. A little tough to get out with the AC right there, but a little bit corrosion going on in there. And then our inventory tag. Glove box, there's no owner's manual. There's a manual on the radio, and that is it. Radio's dated 1999. That's when I guess this car probably got parked. Car runs really well, starts up strong as you can see. Just a good car. 3-speed manual, straight 6, awesome cruiser setup here. Seat belts all around, interior's in good shape. Couple tears have been repaired on this seat. Nothing too major. A little bit of patina on the paint if you go around it. Not bad though. Go through the gears, left and down, left and up. That works. First, left and down. There we go. Fuel gauge does not look to work, and neither does the coolant temp. There's an auxiliary coolant gauge down here though. Jumping around like it has a bad sender. Speedometer works. Odometer works. Dash is in good shape, no cracks or anything like that. Clutch pedal doesn't return all the way. I'm having to put my foot under it and bring it back up. Could be the return spring, something like that. I'm thinking this car got picked up in the 90s as a project car and got running and driving for a little while, and then probably got stashed away. 77,000 miles. things happen, life happens. You have kids, need a bigger car, no time for the hobbies. You know how it goes. Not sure what that's about. A little bit of surging once you get into the RPMs. We're right about 50 miles an hour right here. You might be able to see it in that camera. I'm not too sure if you can in this camera. But just a slight pulse going on. Tires feel good. Brakes feel good. It is the single pot master manual brakes. So it's not gonna slam on the brakes, but they do work. Signals work. You have one indicator on the dash for both signals. Really cool colors. You know, seeing something with black and red, man, that sure is cool. Oh, there's brakes. And a second. So still feeling that pulse. Gonna have service check that out. We'd like to at least know what it is. See if it's something the seller would like to fix. Strong motor though. So it's light throttle. Still feel it. Really a nice car for a cruiser. Really good start for a project. In my mind, this car deserves a V8. It's got the look. You just need a little more rumble. You could keep the 3-speed if you wanted for a while. Get up to a 4-speed or eventually a 5-speed. I think that'd be the ultimate solution there. You know, either a 351 big motor or a fuel injected style Coyote 5-liter, 5-speed behind it. That would really wake this car up. That'd be my build idea. But I can see the benefit of leaving it as is. Maybe figure out why it's got that, you know, kind of a surge going on. Is it fuel? Is it timing? Get it sorted out. Just keep cruising it. It's got a very good look, very great interior. You wouldn't have to do much as is. Steering is nice. Car doesn't seem to go anywhere. Brakes come in even. Check it out, guys. FrankmanMotors.com. 1965 Mustang. 77,000 miles. Straight six. 3-speed manual. Factory AC that's working. Check it out. Give us a call with any questions. Always happy to help. I'm gonna get the car up in the air when I get back. Get some photos underneath. We'll have them on file for you if you need them. Then I need you to get over to YouTube, like, comment, and share. All those things help our channel and gets us a lot more views than we can do by ourselves. Help spread these old cars around anyway. Then we'll see you next time. Thank you.